This is Sabir. So basically, I'm going to explain each and individual pages of my website. So basically, I'm starting from the home page. So you can see there is a picture thingy, which says Sabir Ahmed. This is my name, and I just gave a little title. Hi Sabir, this is my portfolio, and I didn't use any kinds of JavaScript. There is all about the HTML and CSS, and so there is an footer here as well. I use a footer. Then if you press to my portfolio, you can see the project thingy in here, which will put you through to the code pen thingy. So basically I haven't do anything of those thingy because I missed few classes and it was really confusing for me, but I just put those thingy to link to the code pen. So this is all about them, and I use the CSS and the HTML, those thingy in here. I'll show you later on a later part. Then I use those thingy in on a Visual Studios. And then if you go to the contact me page, so you can see I have a tagline here. Hi, for any inquiries you can contact me here and I'll back to you as soon as possible. So I give the my first name, form, and the last name, and the phone and the email. So you can put my name in here like this, Sabir Ahmed, then last name like this. Then you can put my number as well, number in here like anything. Then just you can press on an inquiry. Then you can explain your inquiry thingy, whatever things you want me to text, and you can submit. Like I just put anything there, then you can submit. And I use the JavaScript in there, so it says thank you for contact. There will be a confirmation that your inquiry is gone through. So yeah, this is all about. And I put the next page is a CV. So you can see I put some explanation about me. Is it like it's about me, the what thing I'm studying, and the skills and stuff. Then my work experience. I did last year as a senior ward, and I work for Till and a Shell and stuff. So I explain few of those, and the education stuff is in here, and I use the some reference as well. It's all about those thingy. Then I'll explain you from the Visual Studio the code stuff. Thank you. So basically I opened my file on VS Codes, and I'll explain you individual pages that the code thingy how it works. So basically it's an index file. So you can see I just give a starter there, and so I use the reference thingy, the style sheet and icons. I just linked all of them in here. Then I use the Google family front root and all stuff in here. Then the viewports, like the weights and length stuff and everything in here. Then stuffs, and that's it. And there is I linked those the menu stuff in here. Just reference those. And there is my portfolio tagline in here, and there is a footer as well. So if I go to my portfolio, then you can see this is the same, literally same stuff. Then I added my project thingy in here. See project 1, project 2, project 3, and I've linked those thingy to my CodePen, codepen.com. But I told you earlier that I haven't do anything on a CodePen, so I really can't link the thingy properly. So I just use the codepen.io, as I haven't done anything on a CodePen for the apps thingy. There's the footer. And this is all about the portfolio page. And if you go to contact page, you can see it's basically literally same as the before ones. And I use the document forms, my form, first name, and all stuff in here. And then you can see the options I have, the name, last name, phone, and inquiry. And I put the JavaScript thing on here. And it's literally JavaScript stuff from the 18th. See this guy use some JavaScript coding in here. It's all about in here. So if I put some stuff, and this all about the contact page. And if you go through the CV, you can see uh, basically I just follow those coding stuff, uh, the work experience I have, and this column education, then the reference stuff I used in here, and see the footer as all pages, and those are the CSS. uh, I try to keep it really simple. The color stuff is really simple and organized, and it's all about that. I don't have really that much time to explain each individual, as I have to finish those video within 7 minutes. It's just all about this coding stuff I have done in the backgrounds, backends. I'm doing the inspiration and the things I learned over the past year. So basically, this is my second year on web development. So I literally, yeah, I would say like I learned lots of thingy. There's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all of them, and I just made a few websites for myself as well. And so I got inspiration, obviously, from some website I would say, and the experience over the first year was really nice. It's really helped me to go learn about the HTML, CSS, and all the best stuff, and I use the GitHub thingy, and follow this, the structure and all of the code pen. All of this is really helpful. So I literally have the passion for the website thingy. Then I got some website I can show you that I got some inspirations, and so I use some thingy, like I use the johnmiron.com. I used this because it was really simple. If you look at my website, it's literally same the background I used, as there is a tree contact. Then I use some of stuff in here because I really like it. It's really simple and nice, and it's organized. But I really literally don't copy it or don't follow it, but I just go some things like that, how it should be the color, how I can make it simpler. Then I can show you one of my website, the artsilence.com. I just made it myself. Then I have some experience from this website, which really helped me to do the second assignments. And so you can see I have the contact page and this and that, and if you press on a contact pen, you can see it's literally same like the one I use in my assignment. It's like the name, email, and messages. So I got those experience from to do my assignments. I have another website. It's a bit online. It's my website as well. I just use some, so the news stuff in here. It's like literally blog, and so you see there is some main visual. So I use those. So literally those websites really helps me to do my websites. It's literally give me like literally extra facilities and benefits, to do my website and design it and how it looks, the backgrounds and all the stuff. And so yeah, those are thingy. And so yeah, thanks. This is all about basically, and thank you. Thanks.